You are going to love the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, trip computer, first aid kit, cargo tray, tinted glass, cargo cover, carpeted floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.